Can you teach me some Marathi phrases?
मराठी गाण्यांचा कार्यक्रम खास तुमच्यासाठी.
Oh my god, you just turned into an RJ voice. खास तुमच्यासाठी.
When I lived with my parents, I spoke a lot in Marathi actually. There was at one point they wouldn't let us sit on the dining table unless we spoke Marathi while we were sitting and eating. If we wanted to speak in English, we had to get down from the dining table and then speak in English and come.
And then come back.
घेऊन येत आहोत दर रविवारी दुपारी 1 ते 2 on.
Do you have any favorite Marathi songs?
I have one. माझे गाणे एकच माझे नित्याचे गाणे माझे गाणे.
I'm a quarter Marathi, so my aji is Marathi. So this was like the one thing. Ishava Madhava.
Yeah.
Because my aji, she says some Marathi prayer before eating food. It's like her go-to thing.
Yeah.
Okay, but she speaks in mud English. Like every sentence is half Marathi, half English. I speak English and Hindi and I can understand Marathi. I can now sing in many languages.
Yeah.